Hi there, my name is Lim Hui Mei. So this video recording is about piano assignment 1, which is scales and arpeggios. Firstly, now I will start with the G major scales, and we need to play these scales in 2 octaves. So as we know, the fingering for the right hand in G major is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, and the left hand is 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. But now since we need to play with the 2 octaves, so the fingering will be for the right hand 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, and for the left hand is 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. So now I will demonstrate it with the keyboard here. Okay, if you want, you can try to speed up the tempo, and feel free to pause the video anytime to review back the fingering. Now I will be demonstrating the chromatic scales for G major. Actually, the fingering is quite easy, where we only use 3 fingers for the left and the right hand. Now I will start to play the chromatic scales for G. Now we will continue with G major arpeggios. So for the arpeggios, actually it's quite easy because we only play several notes, which is 1 3 5 1 3 5 1. So the right hand fingering for G major arpeggios is 1 2 3 1 2 3 5, and the fingering for the left hand is 5 3 2 1 3 2 1. So now I will be demonstrate the playing of these G major arpeggios. Even though it seems so easy because you only play several notes, but please ensure you play the right notes because it has different spacing. Now I will be playing the E minor scales. There are 3 different minor scales, which is named as natural minor, harmonic minor, and melodic minor. Firstly, I will start with the E natural minor scales. So if you see the diagram here, we only have one black key, which is the F sharps. And the fingering for these 3 minor scales is same, which is 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 for the left hand, and the right hand is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. And it same with the G major, we need to extend it into 2 octaves. So the fingering is same with the G major 2 octave scales. So this is E natural minor scales. So what about E harmonic minor scales? For harmonic minor, you should know that the 7th key must be up one semitone. So for E minor, the 7th note here is D. So for harmonic minor, the 7th note needs to be up one semitone, which is D sharp. That means for E harmonic minor, we need to play two black keys, which is F sharp and D sharp. So now I will be demonstrating the fingering position for E harmonic minor 2 octave using both hands. Okay, now we will be continuing with E melodic minor. So what's so special about melodic minor is when we go ascending, the 6 and 7 notes should be up one semitone, which is from the C to C sharp and the D to D sharp. And when we play descending, this melodic minor will go back to the original notes, which is the natural minor, which is the C sharp back to C and the D sharp back to D. For the example of one octave, it will be like this. Now I will be demonstrating it with both hands 2 octaves. Now I will be demonstrate the playing of E minor arpeggios. So the fingering is still same with the G major arpeggios, which is 1 3 5 1 for the right hand and 5 3 2 1 for the left hand. But you need to extend it into 2 octaves, which is for the right hand 1 2 3 1 2 3 5, and for the left hand it's 5 3 2 1 3 2 1. So now I will be demonstrating the E minor arpeggios. So the next one is E chromatic scales. So as we know, for chromatic scale, we need to use only 3 fingers for the both hand to play, which is the first finger, second finger, and the third finger. And we only play the black keys using the third finger here. So now I will be demonstrating the actual fingering for E chromatic scales. And lastly, E dominant 7 scales. So firstly, you must know what is dominant 7. So actually dominant 7 is mixed up with the major and minor scale, which is E major added with a minor, which is the D. So the fingering for E dominant 7 is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 for the right hand, and 5 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 for the left hand. And now I will demonstrate it using both hands 2 octaves. So that's all for today's micro teaching video. So for the summary, what we have learned today is, firstly, for G major, we have G major scales, G major chromatic scales, and G major arpeggios. And for the E minor, we have E natural minor scales, E harmonic minor scales, E melodic minor scales, and E chromatic scales, E arpeggios, and lastly, the E dominant 7th. That's all from me. Thank you.